Okay, so on the last series we discussed about different type of drop downs, like whether it is select drop down, where we will use select class for selecting the drop down, and we could select the drop down in three ways, like select by visible text, select by index, or select by value. And for custom drop downs, like it might be div, it might be list. In that type of scenario, we'll first click the drop down to expand, and after that we'll click to select the options. That's what we discussed. Whoever not attend that series, I highly recommend that they should see the series, and you will get all the theoretical knowledge. In this series, I am going to show you the practical way, how in coding way, in Java Selenium coding way, we can able to interact with the drop downs. So let's discuss that. So let me open one application, and I will show you the requirement. What is our requirement basically? That I am going to show you. Okay. So we have one drop down. So what we are going to do, we'll select the drop down in three ways: select by value, select by index, and select by text. Okay, and after that we'll display the current selected drop down, and also we are going to display all the options in the drop down. That's what we are going to do. Okay, so let's go back to the code. Let's discuss one by one to the code. First, WebDriver is equal to new Chrome driver. Then driver.get will navigate to this URL. Then driver.manage.window.maximize will maximize the browser. Then we locate the dropdown, like web element dropdown is equal to driver.findElement by.id dropdown. So let's see that. I will show you. You will see here. You will inspect this. Then you will find the ID. ID is equal to dropdown. Okay. Understood? It is select, and in select it is ID is equal to dropdown. That means it is a select dropdown. Okay, so that's how I have written driver.findElement by.id dropdown, and I stored that in web element, that is let's say called dropdown. Then after that, what I did, I create a select class object. So select is equal to new select, and I pass the dropdown element. Okay, then after that I have written select.selectByVisibleText option 1. You will see here how many options are there. Two options are there. So option 1 and option 2. So I will select option 1, select by visible text option 1. Okay, then next, then I will wait for 2 seconds just to confirm on the UI. Then after that I will select select by value, that is 2. Okay, what I will do, after text I will select by value 2, means which one we are going to select. You will see option value is equal to 2, that is option 2. Okay, then select by index, so definitely index 1, that means option 1. Okay, after that we will select by index 1. Then after that, what I will do, I'll just take select.get first selected option. What it will return? It will return the option which has been selected currently, and it will store in web element selected. That I am going to print. selected option selected dot get text. Which option has been selected, that it will display. Then after that I will just iterate through all the options and print the value get text. So web element options colon select dot get options. So select dot get options will return all the options in that particular drop down, and I will iterate one by one, and I will get the text, that means the value, and print on the console. That's right. Let's run this, and we can check the value. Okay, just observe. Yeah. Okay, first it selected option 1, option 2, then option 1. Then it will return get first selected option, means it will return option 1. Then after that it will return both the option 1 and option 2. Okay, let's go back to the console and we'll check in IntelliJ. See what it has written. So if you will see the CSO statement, okay, initially it returned option 1 because option 1 has been selected at the end. Then after that it iterates through both the options. Then display option 1, option 2. Okay, that's how you will work with drop downs in Selenium WebDriver. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I will come up with some new interesting topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye.